This is for the benefit of the Triumph Speedmasters Owners Club. One of the questions that came up was about jacks for bikes, particularly the Speedmaster. Now, this is a 2008 model. This is the model that just turned over from carb to the actual EFI. And what I've got is a product made by Seal. It's quite a simple product. It's got rubber sections at the base there to grip on the floor, and there's also a rubber section across the top there that sits on the subframe. So basically all it is, so you can see before it goes underneath the bike, is that you slide it underneath, you've got this strong arm, you tilt that up, and as you pivot, this section sits underneath the subframe and rests on the bike. This arm is strong enough for me to stand on. It's strong enough for the bike. So let's see it in use. Okay, I slide this underneath the bike from the opposite side of the kickstand. Okay, and that's for safety reasons. The kickstand's always open there, exposed. Straighten the handlebars up, and I'm aiming to get this just on the underside of the subframe. Get it lined up, and don't worry, you're probably thinking, oh, is this going to be catching on the brake linings? It's nowhere near them. Okay, I'm happy there, so I've lined it up, I've just put it into place. I'm going to grab hold of the handlebar and just pull the bike gently towards me, not an awful lot. Okay, give it a little bit more. Fantastic. Right, and all I'll do now is gently just push up, push down rather, and there we are. Just double check that it is secure, it's sat on the bar, it's not a problem. The bike itself is very secure. It now gives me access to do work on the back wheel, to inspect the back wheel, oil the chain, clean the chain, etc, etc. What else is there left to say? Also in the same operation as well, if you wanted to inspect or change the front wheel, all you would have to do is just to move the jack slightly further forward up the subframe, and that would lift the front end of the bike. It's a lot simpler. So I'll just go and knock this back down now. So steadying the bike, make sure the front wheel keeps in line, keep it straight. Yeah? Take a firm grip of the arm. Move it back nice and slowly. Don't want any sudden movements. And gently back onto the kickstand. There you go, simple as that.